A wanted man getting booked into jail for firing shots at a Chandler strip mall that nearly hit a little girl. ABC 15's Mary Ellen Resendez is live where all of this happened near Alma School in Galveston. And Mary Ellen, you were able to talk to the owner of that tattoo shop where all of this happened. What's he have to say?
Well, he chose not to go on camera, Steve, but he tells us that Michael Hart's beef wasn't with the tattoo, but the price of that tattoo. And he didn't even start complaining about that price until he was about 4 hours into the process. The owner of the tattoo shop wouldn't go on camera, but says that Marilyn Monroe tattoo on the side of Michael Hart's neck is his work. He spent nearly 4 hours on it when Hart started complaining about the price. Chandler police say as Hart left the strip mall, he opened fire, but instead of hitting the tattoo shop, his bullets nailed the front window of the next door barber shop. The glass shattering over a young girl, injuring her. Today, it was being repaired in hopes that customers will still come in. The barbershop owner also wouldn't go on camera, but did say their young girl is going to be fine. She had some minor cuts and scratches. Hart, though, is no stranger to police. He's pled guilty to various drug and a weapon charge dating all the way back to 2012. He was in court this morning pleading not guilty to drug and narcotic possession stemming from a 2016 arrest. Now, the owner says that Hart was acting strange during the process. Both he and the owner of the barbershop are hoping that this won't reflect on their business. We're live in Chandler. Mary Ellen Resendez, ABC 15, Arizona.